Yeah, Bakari and Lena, Andrew Cristillo was 35 years old on August the 3rd. He was driving his vehicle at 9:30 p.m. along with his wife and his 3 children. And the allegations are that an 18-year-old driver hit their vehicle head-on, causing the death of Andrew and injuries to both his wife and his 3 children. So as a result of that fatality, Durham police identified and arrested and charged an 18-year-old driver with dangerous driving caused death, 3 counts of dangerous driving caused bodily harm, and 1 count of failing to stop after a collision. Now, the allegations are that that same driver was involved in a motor vehicle collision with one of the Premier's government vehicles back in January, and he was out on a criminal release for 1 count of dangerous driving as a result of that incident. Today, we heard from the Premier and from Andrew's family. His family is petitioning for Andrew's Law, where they are asking or calling upon the government to impose stiffer sentences for convictions for driving offenses such as dangerous driving. Now, dangerous driving is a criminal offense, so any sentence imposed by the court for the conviction of the dangerous driving has to come from the criminal court. The province, however, can implement their own sentencing on top of that, or, as you're going to hear from the Premier, they can also suspend drivers' licenses immediately after certain offenses are committed. That's the plan, and one of those offenses would be for dangerous driving. Here's more from the Premier and from the brother of Andrew Cristillo, who spoke earlier today. Let's listen to both.
I told him that we'll make sure we have an Andrew's Law, that, you know, this wasn't an accident, it was a murder. This was a reckless, careless person that didn't care about people's lives, as he hit me going 230 kilometers and then took the life of Andrew, and what their family has to go through now, and the 3 little girls, and you know, this is going to be lifelong for him.
We appreciate all the condolences, and now it's time for change. Thank you, Mr. Ford, and your team, for rallying behind me and my family, my brother. This was preventable, and now it's time to prevent this from ever happening to any of your families. My brother Andrew, fantastic man with already a great legacy, and this will be another part of his. And to everyone that's been rallying behind and standing behind our family, thank you. We're eternally grateful, and we look forward to making the road safer in Andrew's name.
The 18-year-old had a bail hearing last month. He was remanded in custody, where he remains to this day, pre-trial custody. Send it back to you guys.
All right, and Steve, thanks so much for